Today, let's dive into one of Jupiter's most intriguing moons, Callisto. It's the third largest moon in our solar system, only smaller than Ganymede and Titan. Buckle up as we explore its hidden secrets. First off, some general info. Callisto has a diameter of 4,821 kilometers, just a bit smaller than Mercury. It orbits the gas giant Jupiter at a distance of about 1.88 million kilometers, completing one orbit every 16.7 Earth days. That's pretty far out. Callisto resides around 5.2 AU from the Sun, nestled comfortably in Jupiter's domain. Now let's talk about its composition and surface. Callisto's surface is a time capsule, heavily cratered, and showing little geological activity. These craters, some billions of years old, are surrounded by rocky material and water ice, making the surface dark yet reflective. One of the most striking features is the Valhalla Basin, a massive multi-ringed impact structure spanning roughly 3,000 kilometers. Speaking of the surface, it's ancient, about 4 billion years old. Callisto's lack of internal heat means it hasn't changed much over time. And here's a cool fact. Beneath its icy crust, scientists believe there might be a subsurface ocean. Imagine a hidden ocean of liquid water or a slushy ice-water mix. As for the atmosphere, it's incredibly thin, mostly composed of carbon dioxide and a bit of oxygen. It's so thin it's practically a vacuum, offering no real protection from radiation. However, Callisto's distance from Jupiter's intense radiation belts means it's relatively safer compared to moons like Io or Europa. When it comes to magnetic fields, Callisto doesn't generate its own, but it does feel the influence of Jupiter's magnetosphere. Positioned just outside the intense radiation zone, Callisto is a more favorable spot for future exploration. Speaking of exploration, NASA's Galileo mission provided us with detailed observations of Callisto between 1995 and 2003. And the Juno spacecraft, launched in 2011, continues to study Callisto along with other Jovian moons. Future missions, like ESA's Jupiter Icy Moons Explorer, JUICE, and NASA's Europa Clipper, will also pay visits to this fascinating moon. So, what makes Callisto interesting? Besides the Valhalla Basin, it's the absence of tectonic activity. Unlike Ganymede or Europa, Callisto's surface remains unchanged, a heavily cratered relic from the past. And let's not forget the potential subsurface ocean. In summary, Callisto is a moon of mysteries. With its heavily cratered surface, thin atmosphere, and potential for life-sustaining oceans beneath the ice, it's a prime candidate for future exploration. Stay tuned for more cosmic discoveries, and remember, the secrets of the universe are just waiting to be unveiled. Thanks for watching, and keep looking up.